Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to remove new beta profile. So if you have downloaded iOS 16.2 beta RC, then I'm going to show you how you can remove and delete the profile from your iPhone or iPad. So let's get started the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. To delete or uninstall the profile, click on your iPhone settings. So once you are in the settings, scroll down, click on general and scroll down, and you will see this VPN and device management. Right click on it and you will see the beta profile iOS 16. Click on it and you will get this remove profile option. Click on it, enter your iPhone or iPad passcode, click on remove. So once it's done, you can select not now. Now let's go to software update section. So as you can see, now iOS 16.2 beta is removed from iPhone. So this is how you can remove or delete any beta profile. Thanks for watching guys.